I have a box. It is a heavy box, and it is a box we've been waiting for a very long time. And it's cold. Just chuck them in.
How are you getting on? Oh, you got Abby this stuff.
I've literally only just come up with a bucket of water.
What do you mean? What have you been doing?
Freezing my nuts off. Can't win with feet. Modern slavery.
Oh yeah, we're on.
-4 degrees.
I've had an hour and a half for breakfast, surely.
10 to 9 or something. I've had an hour and 5
10 to 9? What are you doing? Dilly dally?
3/4 of an hour with matey's lorry in my head going.
Yeah, it's fun. Right.
So I've had enough of this.
More shells required. This will cool the water down a bit for you.
Yes, that will.
Is it boiling hot?
Yes. Good job, that's waterproof, eh? Open this box up. Da, 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 da.
I could be wrong. Not that I've ever been wrong before, but I could be.
Yeah, how to please Josh. New liners.
These have been changed every 3 to 4 months.
Last change in May.
We're not too cold anymore.
Right, my feet.
Never too cold.
I've got 2 pairs of socks on as well.
Oh yeah, only 1 pair of socks.
Right old thick pair too. M&S special. And I got my thermal layers on.
Shall I tell you what I do?
just man up probably, I don't know.
Yeah, just keep moving. No time to chill down. Flat out. Or put my hand in this water.
Yes. What I should have done was taken my boots and socks off and sat there with my feet in some scalding hot water.
The whole of breakfast. Yeah. I've been fine by the time you came out.
Oh.
Pyramid is.
Come on. I've caught
Just put them back. You're meant to be putting them back together as well. You can't just wait for me to clean all the shells properly.
Look at this. Genuine Waikato lines.
No.
Oh yeah. Genuine Milk-Right liners.
Yeah. Also known as copies, apparently.
Oh yeah. Oh, what's going on here? Come on. Right. I'm still all for these
no.
all-in-one jobbies.
Too expensive.
I know, I'm cautious about them next time I see. I say, Rob's really interested in these.
He's so interested, he's not willing to.
I'm going to find them at Lama Show in a couple of weeks and then.
Fine. Feel free to buy them.
Get a 24 set demo.
No.
Come and change them whilst we're at centre parts.
Bullock's got them as well.
Has he?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think he's got 9 cups up there, is he? So.
That man knows as well.
He does. Right, I'm going to either cool this water down or. That was sort. No, there's no time. Need it for the next lot. I know what I do. Just go get some more shells. Much more sensible.
Put some more cold metal in.
Or I could do one better. You could go get them.
I'm going to get some shells. Oh, I'm struggling with this one. This must be an odd-shaped shell.
An odd person.
We're getting there.
You want to go grab me some more shells for it? Probably down there. Like, I don't know. In the parlour, there's some more.
Oh, do you want the house?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Abby carried them all out down to the farm office. What do you mean? Where do you think they are?
Oh, poor it. He's been here 30 seconds and he's already getting bullied.
You go and get me a cell. No, I'll carry 7. 7? Oh, don't test me. After about 8 sets.
I don't know why I'm going down there to get lines. There's a whole box of them.
I don't know why you carried all the lines down there because you didn't hit.
Yeah.
More time wasted.
That's a silly idea.
Should be all ready to go back together, but Josh is a bit wimpy with his thumbs. Not easy. Bit of a prima donna.
That's how right, Rich. Yeah.
But yeah, you should see them on the weekends.
Yeah. Are you going to try and weld these up?
Yes, I think I will.
Oh yeah, there's one here that's been. Oh, that is the one.
Yeah, there's loads. Yeah. Any that broke, we'll. I'll put them together.
I didn't realise they were all one. I thought they did have a split.
No, not meant to. We did have them all together apart from one, and now there's like 4 or 5. But like that one, these are apart.
It doesn't matter, is it? Because we've got to take that centre bit off to go back on, haven't we? So we just.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever.
Je ne sais quoi.
Oh, is this a French lesson today? Is it?
Shut up. I don't know what shut up.
I don't know what the hell you're saying. But
I said I don't know. I think it means I don't know. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
That doesn't sound like Josh at all.
what got me?
Yeah, he speaks sense, that man. Oh, I don't know. Perfect.
2 out of about 9
I mean,
sets.
who designed these claws? They are ridiculous.
But these are unbreakable, Josh. You can drive them with your Land Rover and they'll still be there.
Should we try?
Okay. You could do.
We're now down a claw.
I'm looking with 23.
What happened? We drove over one. Prove a point.
Well, we used to have those, like the Harmony ones, and they're plastic, weren't they?
Yes.
And they used to be in the metal thing, and we used to keep cracking the... And every time we had a milk inspection, they say, oh, you've got some crap ones, they're going to replace. And they're like, I don't know, ridiculous money. So then, we changed them to these.
Hey, man.
So we
Doesn't matter how much.
I was just saying,
But
Rob,
we're not spending it.
I like the idea of those all-in-one jollies where you just...
well, just send the whole lot back.
No, no.
Like Pete's... Apparently Pete's got them, which I didn't know, but the courses have them as well.
They call them cartridges.
Yeah, so you just pop it out.
Yeah,
pump.
you know those ones?
Yeah, I think Ollie tried to sell them to Gary. I have to get a screwdriver because that's not...
Oh, there was one just there. Where's that gone?
Well, oh, you can go to washing if you can't put them in. Look, don't need a screwdriver.
Yeah, well, you can't push them in with your fingernail. Bust my nails on. I need them for tonight. I'm going clubbing.
Rob has no sense or feelings. So he just...
I will by the end.
yeah, you were like,
Yeah, exactly.
sir.
Oh, this was a lot. Oh, it's lovely and warm. Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's a lot better idea. Yes. Oh, that's pretty cool.
You know what happened there? Rich went, oh no, I can't do them.
Have you got a thing for in the style? With some of those things?
Yeah, your finger.
I thought we had a brush.
See the cell count again?
Yes.
Oh, we are some boys.
It's a Daisy not you, Josh, isn't it?
Oh.
That wasn't me.
He told me to say it! He told me to say it!
Oh. The disrespect.
You, sir?
Oh, look at that. Brand, and it's got new pipes on it as well, that one. Oh, my God.
Horrible.
There is a set of pipes back there. Cutting off.
I don't need these.
You must have changed them all.
There's one that's got one that's like this much longer than the other.
Brush. Do you reckon it's down here or did it go back
Yeah,
up?
probably. Well, I wouldn't take it anywhere. Up on top of the thing.
To be continued. Like that, and then you just...
Yeah, it's fine. I'll give it a go. I've got to obviously have that.
Some expert engineering going on here.
That's neat. Where am I?
That
one.
Yep, that'll do it.
Oh, that was it.
Turn the old plug on.
We're awake. Right, there. Ooh, hello.
Yep. I might get my love making gloves in a minute.
How am I going to do this? No, not together, Josh.
Yeah. I think we melted a bit away.
Yeah, you're probably right.
I wasn't squeezing that hard. Oh, there we go.
Definitely try to flip it over. I did something, but I don't know if I actually managed to tap it to the other one. Ah! I don't think it's going to work.
A bit tricky to do, I think.
He'll come.
I'm not bothering.
Hey, Rob, you did one.
Did I? No, I didn't. That actually stayed. Yes!
Is that one out of the
Maybe off, mind.
Yeah. I need to do that top side, don't I, or not?
Yeah, he ain't going to stay there, it'll break, will it?
No.
Whoa.
Just let me weld the top bit. No, it's actually together.
Do you want me to put it somewhere that's a bit easier?
No, that's easy. I'm doing it blind. As long as I'm not going to burn you, that's about the best place for your whole.
Got his gloves on.
Yeah.
Love making gloves, these are rich.
Right, ready? Okay.
Yes. There's nothing else for it.
Look at it, just won't twist around.
So, hey Rob, you did one. Oh, I did. Oh, I did. Thank
Right. I'm going to get another rod.
Okay.
I'm going to weld it. And then that will melt that one off. Oh, goodness sake, I hate this.
Taking one with about 4 welding rods stuck to it.
Yes. We helped you, right?
smelling good. Oh yes.
Right, go with that. Right, how does that look? Your eyes working? Because mine don't.
For all your welding needs, contact Rob. Right, we gave up with the welding. Taking that up to Kevin, he's going to do it with his MIG welder. But anyway, good morning. I realise I haven't actually said anything to the camera yet. This morning we have just changed all the liners. So all these shells have got new rubber in them. Tip top. I'm just waiting on some of the cages, which are these things. These little metal things to come back. Kev's welding them up quick. And what they do is, I can demonstrate here, when the cups fold over, a little split in the rubber there stops the air coming through. So when you're holding the cup ready to put on a cow, like so, that cuts off all the air. Yeah, so new liners in all the shells. They should have been done when we were carving really, but we didn't have enough liners and or time, so done that today. Nearly ran out of cake. We thought we were going to run out of cake, so Rich went and bought a pallet full of bags to chuck into the cake bin, and then the cake arrived this morning before it ran out. So we're now going to chuck those into the tipsy bin for the calves. Size pits are going back, look. Oh, I thought, oh, perhaps Rob might actually have a weekend off. Oh, he's fine by me. Lovely tipsy bin. Full of cake.
Why are you putting bags of cake in?
I did explain that we nearly ran out of cake, but actually Rich ordered it perfectly in time. So what I'm saying is, thank God for Rich. Could have just taken them back. Yeah, he doesn't do stuff like that. I mean, this is perfect. This is actually a calf rearing.
That's exactly what it is. That's another reason I'm not quite so worried about them getting it.
I'll probably tell you on it. Copper. 17%.
Oh yeah, because there'd be less protein.
Yeah.
Because their calves can only digest up to like 60.
Yeah, so the cows will be on board. Calves
Calves can obviously taste it, but they can't digest it.
Sodium, selenium,
you can rip
copper.
the taggy bits right off if you want. Well, I bag them up. Oh my goodness, it's so wasteful. Don't worry, I've got that part from that.
Oh, thank you.
Thank goodness I was here. Yeah, if I'll give them 2 more bags now, put those 4 to the side, then Rich can 2 or 3 again tonight. We'll be back on
This tipsy bin is great.
ground.
Time for a bit of cake, calves. Lovely, Joe.
Coming on, we're going to pen it this time.
This is like midday feeding. What the hell is happening? Playing with their ball. Looking good, calvies. Keith Trevor's a lot less ginger than he was. It's almost like a jersey. Right, we're getting there. Nearly time to go home for some lunch. Just packing up the pressure washer. Abby washed all the units off before we put the new liners on this morning. There's the pressure washer hose. But yeah, look at this, lovely new liners. So they should have been changed once before now, but oh, that one's not on completely square. Shut this gate. We can't forget for later on. Take my tools. I'll come back and get that in a second. Foot bath's filled up ready for tonight as well because it is a Friday. You probably can't see, but right down there, 5 bundles of steaks have just turned up. That's 500 odd steaks that have arrived. So that means we'll be busy doing a bit of fencing at some point in the spring. Look at this, it's 1:15 in the afternoon. My windscreen is completely frozen. I've been parked in the shade. I should have turned my truck round about 20 minutes ago. Yep, that's frozen. Oh, I just want to go home for lunch. Right, hello everyone. I'd never finished the video, so I'm just going to do that now. Me and Gus are just chilling out here whilst Abby's on a night shift. Now, I had a load of things I was going to talk about, and I just never got to it in today's video, so we're going to do it now instead. The first one is, I don't think I ever mentioned that Pip had her pups just before Christmas. So she had 2 chunky little puppies. They are absolutely adorable. And what's really cool is Abby's parent, as in my wife Abby, they are going to have one of the pups, we think. And after Rob saying no and Rich saying no, it looks like Millie has managed to persuade them to keep the other one on the farm as well. So that'll be nice that we can see both of her pups and whatever. Back to farming on Thursday, so the day after New Year's Day, we had our first PD session at Herd Health. So we put forward the first 86 cows to be scanned, and it was a bit of a annoying result. We actually had 11 of them that were empty, or bulling, or cystic, or whatever. They weren't in calf, which sounds like loads, and it's probably more than we wanted. Well, it is more than we wanted. But what you got to remember is with block calving, everything happens at once. So whereby you might have X amount of empty cows at PDing throughout the year on an all year round calving farm, you're going to get them all in one hit at a herd health session for a block calving farm. I'm still getting over my man flu. I had hideous man flu over Christmas. I was as rough with it as I've ever been. I got zero sympathy from my nurse wife, because that is just life. But we're all good now. I'm trying to hide, look. What are you doing? So hopefully those ones that are empty, the bulls will sweep up. We've actually stopped AIing now, so the bulls are just doing all the work for us, which is handy. It saves a lot of time. But in 2 weeks' time, so on the Thursday, it will actually be the day of the Lammas show, so we won't be there. But there'll be another PD session, and there'll be a lot more cows to scan that day. And hopefully, because we'll be away from the very start of breeding, where we were probably serving cows that were perhaps not quite bulling 100%, or were bulling and hadn't had any history bulling, so they might not have been on the exact 21-day cycle or whatever. Hopefully the results will be a bit better. It seems to have gone all quiet in the heifer shed. No activity in there, so hopefully the bulls have done a good job in getting those in calf as well. And yeah, we're out of that Christmas New Year period now, so we're back to normal work being done on the farm. Obviously all the routine stuff's been done over Christmas. We just haven't been staying all day doing jobs. But good to get the liners done, because we've been wanting to do that for a little while. Anyway, if you've made it this far through the video, thank you very much for watching. I thought it would be fun for people to comment good names for a little collie pup. So I believe both the pups are girls. So if you've got a cool name for a pup, put it down in the comments, because I don't think Abby's parents have decided on a name yet for their one. And yeah, into 2025 we go. So thank you very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment a name for the pup down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in another video very soon. Cheerio. New Snoopy dog.